Alright, it's a little vlog update for you guys, because I think I'm over this huge lurch of a big project that I was working on. So now I've got a little bit more time to actually do things, plus the bad weather's starting to get here, so awesome. I'm going to be trapped indoors, exercising, and working on videos. So I got that. If any of you guys don't know what that is a big old vehicle ignition coil. In addition to that, I picked up a few other high voltage goodies, by the way. In fact, one of them is a big scary transformer over here. You can't see it, sorry about the lighting. But anyway, so the idea here is I'm actually building a arc chamber to simulate lightning discharge so I can test Ethernet ports. So in the center there you see your two little electrodes, and that's the spark gap basically. And then the outside are the 8 conductors, the 8 rails that will be connected back to the 8 pins of the Ethernet ports. So I figure it's kind of, this is fucking janky. This is a piece of shit. This is my first attempt to actually make something, and I said fuck it. So I managed to get my hands on a 3D printer that somebody was selling cheap on Kijiji, or Facebook Marketplace, sorry. And I also need it so I can make these pieces for these prototypes that I'm building for you guys, right, for these conversion kits. But so I'm instead going to build a double disc where I can actually put the rails inside and actually have the spark gap within it. So this should be actually pretty cool. But holy hell, is this thing slow? Are 3D printers supposed to be that slow? It's very, very, very slow. Wow, it's so slow, but it's printing. And I don't know what's going on over here. It looks more like a smear than a print there. I don't know. I mean, these are like 160 bucks new. I paid like 80 bucks for this used on like Marketplace. So, I mean, you can't expect the world for something cheap, because you do get what you pay for. But I wanted to get my feet wet first before I spent my money on an actual 3D printer. So, here it is. It's baby's first 3D printer. And I'm printing with some pink PLC here. So, it's going to be interesting to see how this turns out. But yeah, look at how it's smearing, eh? Like it's not even doing anything over here. If I can print 2 discs, I'll be happy. I just need these 2 discs, but I'm gonna put threaded rod through it and make the arc gap in the center, and everything should be happy. So then I can do my experimentation. But I also think that maybe this part of the bed may not be entirely level. So yeah, it looks like this is actually maybe a little bit too high. I'll just dial it down just a tiny bit and see if that fixes it. I don't know how this works, so if somebody can teach me how to use it, that'd be awesome. Anyway, ciao guys.